number, a 517 number. If somebody called in on the phone, I don't know if they hung up.
Cornelius Green.
Oh, Green. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Green.
Yes.
What's the first name, Green?
Cornelius Green.
Okay.
You get a fucking nerve, dude.
Listen. You're on. We can hear you talk. I don't need to hear you swearing in the courtroom and stuff.
Excuse me, Judge. I have a quick question.
Who is that?
What is I have forgot the exact time that you said my hearing. Can you tell me my exact time?
What's your name, ma'am?
Victoria Glimpse.
What's the last name? Spell it.
8:30. You're here, ma'am. She's Glimpse. So she's at 8:35. So just sit tight.
Okay, I just had to make sure. Thank you.
Is that you? That's your file language?
No.
All right.
Morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, AG. The person that's got AG on their name. Mr. What is your name, please?
My name's Arvin Jonai.
No, I've already spoken to you.
It's
in
722.
AG.
You know, have it go on. You have a mic.
Is that gentleman with the hat on that looks like he's at work? Take your hat off. Everybody's got to take their hat off before. What's your name, sir?
My name is Aaron Gary.
Aaron Garrett.
Gary.
Gary. All right. Good morning.
Yes. Do you have a mic, Glenn?
Yes, I have a mic, Glenn. Aaron Gary.
Yeah, I'm also currently at work too.
Who's at work?
Mike Glenn.
Okay. All right, let's see if we can get going. Good morning, Mr. Warbling. We're going to be short we're waiting on the city attorney, so we're going to see if we can get some people out of here without them. I know that Aaron Gary, you're not supposed to be here until 9 o'clock. Your officer is not going to necessarily be here. I'm going to give your officer a half-hour grace period after 9 o'clock. If they don't check in by 9:30, then we'll get you out of here. But you feel free to just zoom back in at 9 o'clock if you choose to. All right.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Let's move to let's get it going.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name. Also, if you're in the vehicle, there's no driving while court is in session. Also, if you're talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the first time we've heard that. Oh, we forgot.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's see. You gone?
Yeah, they can assign them to high profile stuff, like the because we had to do who can't do it.
I can't hear you. What you say?
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Marcellus Gray. Okay, are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marcellus Gray, case number SP 137-71231, SP 137-71341. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gray. State your full name, sir.
Marcellus Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for Hey, pre-trial, Mr. Gray, do you have valid insurance and registration?
Yes, I emailed you the insurance and I have the registration here.
Email me that. Oh, I got it. Let's see. Okay. Now let's see the registration, sir.
Hey, you want to see? Here it is.
Let's see what he's got. All right, very well. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Ms. Mathis, good morning. Can I get a docket whenever you get a chance?
You sure can. Actually, I'm sending everybody an updated calendar, so everybody please check out emails.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Antonia. I have to upload documents to you as well. However, I don't have an email for you.
I'll put it in the chat.
Thank you.
Good morning to you. Okay. All right, Mr. Lynn, this is the city of Detroit versus Mike Rodham Glenn, case number S064645, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1067051, SB 1276488, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1299231. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Glenn.
Mike Glenn.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Mr. Warbling.
Judge, we'll waive formal reading, stay on mute.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give you a client a $0 bond. Mr. Glenn, you're gonna have to wait on an offer from the city attorney. With all these cases, I'm not even gonna try to figure it out.
Can I say something? Most of them cases, I was
Never
already,
mind.
y'all.
Never mind, Mr. Glenn.
Here, speak to the lawyer, and if you talk to the lawyer, we can just set him a trial date if he chooses.
All right.
Talk to the lawyer and see who is this, Warbling?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, he's in the breakout room. Let's pass that matter.
Sure.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus Roderick Dion Laster, case number SP 13797141. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Laster. State your full name, Mr. Laster.
Roderick Dion Laster, Jr.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Let me get a look at this ticket and see what the allegation is. I see it's disorderly conduct. Mr. Barry, it is loitering in place in the legal occupation with intent to engage. So let's say a plea that's charged a $240 fine. We'll give him a one-time dismissal if he pays immediately. He has an absolute right to a trial. We can speak to him in a breakout room, see what he wants to do. If he wants to take the deal, then read him his advice or rights, please, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Laster, please. Talk to the lawyer about this. Is Garcia Darner here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, let's do that one. This is the city of Detroit versus Garcia, Darner Garcia, case number SP 131-48053. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Darner Iran Garcia.
Okay, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see that you have paid. We appreciate you satisfied your obligation with the court. And now we're going to dismiss the case, okay?
Yeah, Your Honor, I had one more question. I got another note in the mail for another court date, which is due for March 6th. I just want to know what that was for and if maybe we could wrap that up today.
Let's see. I don't see anything else. You said you had another court date for March the 6th.
Yes, sir.
I do not see anything else in your name, sir.
Okay.
Do you have a case number?
Yeah, it's SP1 314-8051.
The case was closed. Have a good day, sir. To you, okay?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
As well. Right, are we back on? Who are we back on, Mr.
Laster.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Laster. Mr. Laster, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He would avail himself of the offer and enter a plea, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
Where is he? Where are you? On the phone?
I'm sorry, my camera wasn't on.
Where are you, sir? That's Mr. Laster. Can you raise your right hand, please?
There you go.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yeah.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? Has anybody, Mr. Barry went over your other constitutional rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that you're gonna be giving up those rights but take this plea, right? You won't have you won't have those rights after you enter into this agreement, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to August the 16th, 2022 at around 7:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Santa Clara and Bond Street, sir. Did you have an occasion that day to be in that area at the time?
I'm sorry, you was breaking up. I couldn't hear what you were saying.
Did you have it on August the 16th?
Yes.
Were you in that area on Santa Clara and Bond?
Yes, sir.
What's going on over there?
You said. I couldn't hear you. It was breaking up.
What's going on over there?
I was going to meet a friend. I was supposed to go play basketball.
Okay, so there's nothing illegal about that. I need to know what's going on illegal over there.
Oh, I have no idea what that is, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date. We're gonna set a trial date. You know, if you're not over there doing anything illegal, then you don't plead to this. I'm not gonna take the plea. What's the date, man? Trial date is gonna be.
London, can you cover me for like 15 minutes while I do this court meeting? Court meeting. I'm in court right now.
Should be March 3rd. You got it. Okay, cool.
2023, April the 3rd. Come back April the 3rd, sir.
Okay.
Zoom at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Laster, have a very good day. Good luck to you. I'll see you back April the 3rd.
You too.
Thank you. All right. Let's go back. What about Mr. Glenn? Are you ready on Glenn?
Your Honor.
Judge, he wants to, he's awaiting an offer, Judge, so he wants to consider an offer.
All right, you'll have to sit aside, Mr. Glenn, and we're gonna wait on the city attorney to get you an offer, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Khalid Goria. Case number S37-51101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Khalid Goria.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter, Mr. Gloria. Your offer is gonna be a 12-month delay. If you take the deal, it's gonna be as charged, and it's gonna be a $203 fine. It's gonna be a 12-month delayed sentence, all right? That means if you get in any trouble within that 12 months, then the ticket is not gonna be dismissed. You're gonna have it on your record. If you pay the fine, don't get in any trouble, then we'll dismiss the ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry so that he can give you answer any questions you have. And if he wants to take the deal, make sure you read him his advice or rights, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. And the offer is
12-month delayed as charged, $240 fine, and we will, if he wants to take the deal, I'll read him his advice or rights. He has an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, of course. Okay. Where is he at?
City of Detroit, or strike that, this is the state of Michigan versus Arbin, give me the last name, please, sir, pronunciation. Jojana, up there in the top left on the screen. Unmute yourself in the car with the blue button-down shirt on. All right, the gentleman up there in the top left screen with the blue button down shirt, Arvin Jonah.
You
All
have
right,
to
unmute yourself, please.
unmute your device, sir. Arvin? Yes, you. Thank you.
Okay. Well,
Correct pronunciation of your name, please, sir.
Arvin Jonah, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning to you. This is the state of Michigan versus Arvin Jonah. Case numbers SX 4093968, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, state your name for the record, Mr. Jonah.
My name is Arvin Jonah, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have plates on this vehicle? Let's see about this chauffeur's license.
Yes, Your Honor. I have the chauffeur's license and I have the registration.
All
And
right, let's see the registration, please. Let's see what you have.
I also emailed it as well.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, everything I emailed. I emailed the chauffeur's license. I emailed the registration. I emailed everything.
Well, we're going to check the license ourselves.
Okay.
I got a copy of the registration, and I'll accept that as good.
I also got my chauffeur's license as well, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see. Very well. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You as well, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Wow. Where is Lawson? Lawson, it doesn't appear that you're on the docket today. What is is it Russell Lawson? You see Russ Lawson?
Oh, no.
Oh, he is.
Oh, he is.
That's a 130. His driver's license. It's Russell Lawson.
Okay. You sure?
I'm on. Go ahead. You can have it.
All right.
Let's get him a rain right quick and get him a new date. He's not on that. But let's see, Mr. Hackett. Who's your client? You have to unmute yourself, please.
Your Honor, Cindy Louise. She's under the name Cindy L. in the participants.
Very well. Good morning to you, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period to show up from 9 o'clock. So by 9:30, if they're not here, we'll call the case. If they do show up, then we'll put you in a breakout room with the officer for.
That press conference that it is.
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Great. Sparrow Hospital also said 4 students needed surgery right away. 1 went directly to critical care. And as we mentioned, all 5 were critical.
Right, somebody's television is on. We don't need to hear your television.
Your families, we will continue throughout the morning.
This is fine.
Good morning, officers, sergeants, and troopers. If you can name who you came here, defendant is, it would help. Anybody here for Cindy Louise?
I think that was Attorney Hackett, Your Honor.
No, yeah, I know, but I wanted to see what officer was here.
Oh, sorry.
Let's see. All right, let's keep it moving.
Ready on Mr. Goria, Your Honor.
Oh, are we ready on Mr. Goria? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goria. This is the city of, I'm giving you, Mr. Goria, an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He would avail himself of the offer to enter a delayed sentence plea, Your Honor.
Where is he? Is he on
Should be
the,
with us.
no, he's in the, I think he's on the phone.
Yes, he is, as a matter of fact.
Mr. Goria.
Yes, Honor.
All right, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room. He indicates that you want to take the deal.
Yes.
All right, you know something, I particularly do not like this at all. You know, you're out here dumping your garbage in our city. I don't know what, you know, where you think that's okay in your mind. You want somebody to come on your front lawn and dump their garbage on your front lawn, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, so why are you doing it to somebody else's?
I made a mistake, Honor.
No, you didn't make a mistake.
Yes, I.
It's not a mistake. You did it intentionally. You did it to save yourself some money, and you did it because you don't have any regard for anybody's place of where they live and where you don't have any regard for it. That's what you did it for. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Honor.
You put your hand down. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other constitutional rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Honor.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to be giving up those rights.
Yes.
Did anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
So I'm going to draw your attention back to July the 23rd of 2022 at around 2:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Cloverdale and Annandale, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in around 2:47 p.m.? Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area?
No. Yes, yes.
Okay. What were you doing over there, sir?
I was working that side, actually.
Say that again?
I was working that area, actually. I used to work down that area.
So part of your job is to dump. What kind of work do you do?
I worked in the supermarket.
And what were you over there dumping?
The stuff in my garage, actually. Clothes, all clothes.
You were dumping what?
Clothes.
I didn't hear him.
Clothes, like
Clothes.
Clothes.
Like garage item. Clothes is in my garage, sitting for you. For nobody want them.
Okay, sir. So you're gonna let the court believe that you were over there just dumping clothes, sir? Is that what you're trying to let the court believe?
Just my garage. It wasn't anything else.
Okay, so it was just clothes. Is that what you're saying? It was just clothes in your garage and you're dumping them on the street? Is that what you're trying to let the court believe?
It was items from my garage. It was clothes and couple.
What items were they?
I mean, it was a lot of clothes. A couple of stuff was like pieces of my garage. Like was stuff like tools and stuff like that was broken.
Junk that you don't want, right?
Yes,
So you're taking you live in Livonia, sir?
Yes.
So why didn't you dump it in Livonia then?
I made a mistake, Honor. Everybody made a mistake. I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. There's gonna be a 12-month delayed sentence. And it's gonna be a $240 fine. It should be fined the maximum for that. I've already given your client, I'm gonna fine him $240, and it's gonna be a 12-month delayed sentence. We're gonna set a review date. Can I get a 1-year review date, please?
February the 15th, 2024.
Say that again, sorry.
February the 15th, which is a Thursday, 2024.
Due date is gonna be February the 15th. When are you gonna, I want you paying this money by next week. You're gonna pay by next week. $240. You know, he's living in the posh suburbs of Livonia, and he wants to keep his area clean. You could pay this money by next week, all right? $21,2023. If it's nothing further, sir, if you get any more trouble, I'll see you again, sir. And the court won't be as lenient the next time. All right. Ms. Walker, good morning to you. You're free to leave, sir. Come back. Your review date is February 15th, 2024. And the pay, I want this paid by next week. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come down to the courthouse and pay it, $240, right?
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you. Miss Walker, I have a few attorneys in here. I'm gonna put them, if you want me to put them in a separate breakout room. Is Miss Walker still here?
Yes.
No, Miss Shannon Walker. Did she leave?
Oh.
I think she signed off.
Your Honor, you want him to come back tomorrow?
No, next week, 2/21. He doesn't have to come back. No, that's 2/15/2024. 2/15/2024 is his review.
Oh, 24.
I'm gonna get Ms. Walker back in here, see if I can get her back in here.
Your Honor, she did contact me about Mr. Glenn, so I think we have a potential resolution for him.
All right, you want to put it, are we ready to go with it right now?
I might have to speak with him in the breakout room. It'll be very, very brief.
All right, Mr. Glenn, rejoin the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Warren, please. Ms. Walker is back on. Ms. Walker, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
I have a few attorneys in here. I know one has a trial set at 9 for Miss Lewis, Cindy Lewis, and the other counselor. I didn't. Who are you here on?
For Laird, Your Honor?
Yeah, absolutely. Who are you here on, counselor?
Ashton Laird.
Laird? That's Laird. What I'll do, if you want me to, I put them in a separate breakout room, Miss Walker, with then your officers.
Yes, Judge.
You can speak with them. All right, let's get Mr. Lawson. We're going to arraign him quickly and get him a new date. This is the City of Detroit versus Russell Lawson, case number SP 137-50411, SP 142-08481, SP 966-517, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 1949-12661. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Medicine in the room. You'll need to carry that around.
Lawson, can you state your name for the record, please? Russell Lawson. Unmute yourself, please.
Russell Lawson.
Sir, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Bench warrant.
You got too much background noise back there, sir. Please, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond, and we will give you a pretrial date of March the 2nd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Do you have any further questions, sir?
March. I didn't know I had a bench warrant.
Well, you don't have one anymore. We removed the warrant. All right.
Okay. And you say my next court date is when?
It's March the 2nd. So come back that morning. You were supposed to be here at 1:30 today for your arraignment. So you came early, and I got you in. I got you in and out. On March the 2nd, we should have an offer in your file. Okay.
Okay. And I got another question.
What's your other question?
What do I need to get my license? Because I've been paying on most of my tickets, but I don't know what I have left.
When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State, sir?
Probably last year when I had to renew my ID. Because the only thing that they showed that I had was something for nobody, and then they said, and I ain't had nothing else for Detroit. Because I got a couple emails that where I paid through off my card when I was working. So I paid. So I got a couple payments on my phone from when I paid some of my tickets for Detroit.
It doesn't appear that anything down here is affecting your license. I would try to go to Secretary of State and ask them for a license, see what they say, all right? If they don't give you a license, then they should be able to tell you exactly what is preventing you from getting a license. So make sure you take a pen and a paper there with you and write case numbers down and everything. So you may be surprised, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right.
March 2nd. What time? Can I get the time?
8:30.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Victoria Phillips. Case number SP 1171029, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 117103001. SP 133-00411, SP 133-06781. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, this is Victoria Glimpse, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you, sir.
O.S. Berry Jr. on her behalf, Your Honor.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. It seems like I've seen Ms. Glimpse before. Let's see what her file looks like. All right, all I have in this file, Mr. Berry, is ROAs. She's been here before. Well, I have one ticket in there. We set aside the default. Did you get a valid license, ma'am?
Absolutely not.
Okay, well, do you want to set a trial date or you want to offer?
What's the offer?
Let it be failure to display. Miss Walker, I have a no ops, no insurance misdemeanor, improper use of lights, 11 to 15 over, and a driver's license never acquired. Can you put your Miss Walker, please?
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people. Judge, has she taken the class?
No class. I don't think so. Did you take the class, Ms. Glimpse?
No.
Judge, I'd like her to take the class and then I'd be much more inclined to give a favorable offer.
You hear that, Ms. Glimpse? They want you to take the a defensive driving class. And Ms. Walker says she'll be generous on the offer.
I appreciate that offer.
I want you to get a valid driver's license. Why can't you get a license?
Like I said, I never got a license before. When I attempted to get my license, I paid all my tickets off before, and they gave me told me I had to wait over a year to get my license. So before I waited over a year, I have gotten tickets since then. So that's what prevented me from getting my license.
Yeah, so you keep digging yourself a bigger and bigger hole.
Yes.
And if you don't take this class, then I'm sure Ms. Walker is the offer is gonna be something that's abstract. I don't know, it may be something that abstracts if you do take the class, but I know it's gonna be something that abstracts if you don't take the class, and that's gonna give you an additional year or two suspension.
Okay. I appreciate the offer of taking the class. I would surely take the class with no problem.
All right, very well. Ms. Walker, would you give her some kind of idea of what you would do for her if she completes this class?
I'm sorry, Judge, I couldn't hear you.
Can you give her some kind of idea of what you will offer her if she takes this class?
Judge, I need to look at her complete driving record before I'd want to make that complete offer, but it would, instead of today where I would probably offer her at least a couple failed to displays that would be on her license, I would only offer her one at most, in addition to dismissing the rest of the stuff.
And if she just comes in and knocks your socks off with what she learned in this class, then it could be more generous. Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely, Judge. I would consider something non-abstractable if she comes in and knocks my socks off. That's for sure.
All right. So you hear that, Ms. Glimpse? The city attorney is trying to get you to take this seriously, and you got a lot at stake. You're young. You need a driver's license, and if you get something that abstracts again, you're not going to be looking for a license for another 1 or 2 years. So you need to go in and take this class seriously. Be prepared to come back, and it's like going back to school, ma'am. Do your homework and be ready for the test when you come back. You all right?
Okay, no problem. Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right. How long? I'm going to give you 30 days to do it. Come back on March the 14th, 2023 at 8:30, and let us know what you learned. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
Take good notes, all right? If there's nothing further, the class is in the chat, ma'am. I put the class in the chat, and the screenshot that, send me the certificate ahead of time, and then we will go from there, okay? That'll make things go a lot smoother.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You have any further questions?
How long is the class?
It should be only 4 hours or whatever. It's not gonna be overly.
Okay, no problem. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate it. I screenshotted the chat.
Very good, man. There's nothing further. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hey, Walker, do you have anything ready for the?
Yes, Judge, both retained counsels are prepared to come before the court.
Very well. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Cindy Gay Lewis, case number U6290822.
Am I allowed to leave, Your Honor?
Yes, you're free to leave, ma'am. Have a good day. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. If it pleases this most honorable court, William Hackett, P65962, on behalf of Miss Cindy Louise, who's present via Zoom, Judge.
Judge Shannon Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people. Judge, may we ask who the issuing officer is on this ticket? The docket sheet lists the attorney name.
Let's see who the issuing officer is. I can't. Oh, N-I-D-O, Nido.
Oh, okay, he's here, counsel. May we ask him to be brought out of the breakout room and into the main session, Judge?
We will definitely try. I might have to put you in there and you go grab them out.
Okay.
Let's see. I tried. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Okay, I'll go talk to him, Judge.
All right.
Can I speak with the officer as well?
That's up to you. That's up to Ms. Walker if she.
Oh, Judge, he's back in the main session.
Yeah. Officer Nito, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
How you doing, sir?
Very well. State your name for the record, please.
It's Officer Anthony Nido.
Nido, I'm sorry. And what's the department and badge number?
That's a 2827.
And Detroit Police?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Counsel, Ms. Walker, Mr. Hackett wants to speak to you and the officer. It's up to you guys.
Officer, are you comfortable speaking to the defense attorney with me present?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Judge, would you put us in a breakout room and then a counsel, the other retained counsel is just gonna ask for a jury trial. If I could just get those dates, you can put it on the record without me.
Very well. All right, join the room, please.
Hi, Judge. Do you mind if I say something to you for 2 seconds?
What's this?
Antonia.
Okay. Good morning.
My court time was supposed to be at 9. I understand. I'm not disrespecting you or nothing. I understand it's orders and stuff. I just wanted to give you knowledge of that. I do have to be at work in about an hour, and I work like 30 minutes away. And I didn't want to, the last time I got on here with a judge and I was getting ready and I wasn't being seen on time, and she saw me driving to work. I know y'all said no driving. I didn't want to get in trouble, but I just wanted to kind of give you knowledge of that. Not trying to rush, like I said, but not trying to get fired or nothing either, because if you do give me court fees and stuff, this is how I pay.
Man, okay, you said enough. You gonna run over the time, but you are trying to get in a rush, dude. That's why you interrupted. But I'll try to get you to now. What is your name?
Antonia Lee Armstrong.
Lee Armstrong. I don't see Lee Armstrong on here. Oh, yeah, your officer is here. We'll get an offer from the city attorney. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Blair.
Your Honor, I don't know if I'm on the docket this morning because I don't have any court papers. I was told to be here the last time I had a hearing.
All right, we'll see. Hold on a minute, please. You're on the docket. You're on the docket. All right. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Ashton Joseph Blair. Case number 2235-61131, 356141. Appearance for the record, please.
For the records, yeah, Nicholas 008 P69447 on behalf of the defendant who was also present by Zoom.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Laird.
Yes.
Unmute yourself, Ashton.
Yeah.
Ashton Joseph Laird.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. You came to the court that you want a jury trial. Is the officer here today?
Yes, he is, Your Honor. They're not offering anything, so we did not waive our right to a jury trial. We'd like to have a jury trial in this matter, maybe sometime in late April or May.
Well, there's gonna be a jury trial that's gonna be sooner than that. The last date I have is April, and somebody's already got that date yesterday. So
Judge, may we bring Sergeant Miller into the room? He is on this case. I just want to make sure he wouldn't be on furlough on any dates that we set.
I'm in, Judge. I'm in.
Oh, Sergeant Miller is here. Okay.
good morning to you, Sergeant Miller. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Nathan Miller, badge S415, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Let's get a jury trial date, the latest one we have. I think it's March the 30th. I think we have a lot of stuff on that date.
I think so. So the other one will be March the 16th. You're right.
March the 16th.
Anything further out, Judge? It's so close.
I don't think so. Not that we now.
So March 17th jury trial?
March 16th, right? What's the issue here? It's Miss Walker. Oh, there's no reduced under the drag racing spectator. Okay, so so that's the issue. Just checking. Okay, we got some more dates here.
Thank you, Judge.
May the 4th. Does that work for you, Counselor?
Which day?
May the 4th.
May 4th, yes.
That's fine with the people, Judge. Sergeant Miller, is that a good day for you?
That's my anniversary. I'm going to be out of town.
Okay, well, let's do it again. May the 18th.
That's fine.
Will you be back, Sergeant Miller?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be back for that.
May 18th is good for the people, Judge.
Okay, so that's May 18th. Let's set the final pretrial for May the 12th at 8:30 a.m. Let's have any motions for the defense due by let's see, we're talking about 12. Any motions for the defense due by the 28th of April, and then responses due by the 5th of May.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. If there's nothing further, counsel, and then let's make sure we have stipulated on the jury instructions and have all that stuff worked out ahead of trial, okay?
Thank you, Judge. I'll anticipate Ms. Walker emailing me.
Yep, sounds good.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Miss, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lewis.
Judge, I believe Mr. Hackett never got sent to the breakout room. Is that correct, counsel? Officer and I were there, but Mr. Hackett was
That's
not.
correct. That's correct. I didn't get sent.
Mr. Hackett never joined the breakout room. He's got it's there.
It's not on, it didn't appear on my.
You have to negotiate it, sir. You have to go back to your more button or something. You're in breakout number 4.
All right, I found it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, go ahead and return to the, see if we can get that worked out. Okay, Counselor Daly, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, who's your client?
Rodney Lloyd, Your Honor. He's trying to log on right now. We have a particular problem, Judge. There were 3 tickets issued. We issued an appearance on all 3, but they only recorded it on 1. They suspended his license for no-show on the 2 others, and now his license is suspended. So I'm hoping the court would set aside those defaults, enter my appearance in them, so that we can get his license back.
All right. Let's see what officer. Let's see. All of these happen in the same instance.
That's correct.
Is Officer Roach here? All right. I get that file. All right, that's the officer that we're gonna allow in here.
I didn't hear what you said, Judge.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Rodney Delano Lloyd. Case numbers SP 1394441 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 142252221, C51296621, U39332817. Appearance for a record, please.
May it please the court, Brian Daly, appearing on behalf of Rodney Lloyd in all of those case numbers, Judge.
Very well. And he has not checked in yet?
He has not checked in. I think he's got some connectivity problems, Judge.
All right. Let's do this. Let's deal with the ones that are up for trial today.
Which ones are those, Judge?
I'll read them to you in a minute.
Thank you.
There's some other ones. So the ones that are going to be up is SP 1394441, and then we'll put the related matters counts 1. I mean counts 2 and 3 on that as well are up for trial. Let's see what this other one says here. Those tickets were issued on October the 19th, 2022.
That's correct.
Defaults. That officer has gotten a notice, or should have had a notice. So therefore, we will. You can make a motion on those tickets. There's no officer Roach here.
No, at this time I move for dismissal of SP 1394441, SP 1394412, and SP 1394413.
Okay. If no officer here, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss.
Judge, you need an order?
No, I don't.
Does that mean that the suspensions will go away?
Yes, it should. I asked for SP 142252221, C51296621, and U39332817. Let's set the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, may it please the court, I'm appearing on behalf of all three of those case numbers for Rodney, Delana Lloyd. I didn't catch them. I don't know if you read too fast or I listened too slow, Judge. I didn't catch all those case numbers.
Two of those cases are in warrant status. That is U39332817. That is an entering without permission. And a C51296221. That is a drive while licensed, unlicensed. And then the SP142252221 is another drive while licensed suspended. As for purposes of arraignment.
Okay, so SP 14225-122.
Yes.
And then there's U39332817.
Correct.
And then I didn't catch the other one, the C.
C512961.
And that was entering where not, what was that?
That's an EWOP ticket, entering without permission. No, the U ticket is an EWOP ticket, entering without permission.
I don't understand that. What does that mean?
That somewhere they did enter into some kind of structure that they didn't give off. Typically, those are abandoned buildings, and it's claimed that the city of Detroit owns it, and the city of Detroit didn't give them authorization to be there. That's typically what those are.
And the 5122, there's a license issue?
Unlicensed. That's an old unlicensed ticket going back to 2014.
Okay, and then the other one, the U393.
That's the EWOP ticket. The U tickets are the EWOP ticket.
The EWOP, what is that?
That goes back to 2017. That's entering without permission.
Okay, very good.
So that's for purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, can we waive the arraignment and enter a plea of not guilty? Or do you want me to track him down and get him here by phone?
I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And at that time, we'll set a pretrial date. Your client should be able to, if this was the messing his license up, he should be able to wait 48 to 72 hours after we enter these dismissals into the system. And potentially he can go back to the Secretary of State and get a driver's license.
Very good, Judge.
What is a good pretrial date for you, Counselor? I have the next pretrial date, March the 3rd.
If there's any way to get it done sooner, Judge, we'd like you to come in sooner. If we could do it this week, we come in this week. I don't know if you can do that or not, but we'll do it.
He wants to have a valid driver's license, so he needs to get a valid driver's license first.
Okay.
March the 2nd, 2023 at 8:30. We'll set a pretrial date. Now, on that offer for the EWOP, they're not going to give Miss Walker. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
Okay. On the entering without permission, I know the city doesn't typically give offers on those. This dates back to 2017. What you could do, Counselor, if Ms. Walker's not willing to give you an offer, is I can set these straight to trial and you can deal with them on that day.
Well, why don't we set it for trial if we can do that, Judge?
Is the amendment to disorderly conduct. Other than that, that's the best I can do.
All right. So if you either take the.
I'm sorry, I was just gonna say, set it for a date and then I'll take that offer back to my client.
All right, we'll take the date of April the 4th on a trial on all the matters. April the 3rd on all the matters at 9 a.m. And then that'll give your client some time to get his driver's license reinstated, and then he can come back in and deal with those tickets April the 3rd, all right?
Very good, thank you, Judge.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Take care.
All right, let's go ahead with are we ready on Lewis? Are we ready on that?
Is that a retained matter, Judge, or no?
That's a retained matter.
Oh, it is, okay.
Llewellyn, Your Honor, or Lewis?
Oh, Lewis. I guess not. Let's pass it. All right, Counselor, who else do we have? What other retained matters?
Your Honor.
Oh, let's give Miss. Let's give.
I'm sorry. Did you say Lewis?
Okay, let's get Lee Armstrong. On Lee Armstrong, Ms. Walker, can
Yes.
we get it? I know that Sergeant Carson is here.
Okay, Judge, one moment. What was the name?
Lee Armstrong.
I'm sorry, Judge. I got clicked off the docket for today. What are the charges?
It is for trial. Lee Armstrong has a no ops and 11 to 15 over. Sergeant Carson is the officer.
Okay, Judge.
And I don't have anything, I don't have any, what I don't have is I don't have any any actual tickets for Lee Armstrong. All I have is ROA. The court does not proceed on ROAs. I need actual signed complaint.
Judge, the direction our office has been given is that the clerks are supposed to call downstairs. All e-tickets can be reprinted as an original copy from the court from Ms. Graham, Ms. Tillman's office.
Yeah, we usually do that. And I don't have it here in front of me.
They can do it. They said to have, because we asked to let us call. They said, no, the clerk calls and then they bring it upstairs immediately. That's the direction I've been given by the court.
All right, we'll give it a few minutes. If I don't get a ticket in the next few minutes, we'll give 15, 20 minutes. If we don't get a ticket, we're gonna call the case. Mr. Haddad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me stop. Mr. Hackett, are we ready on your client?
We are, Judge. My client's going to stipulate to probable cause and the city attorney is going to dismiss the case.
All right, let's go back on the record with Cindy Gay Louise.
Judge, may I bring the officer in, please?
Yeah.
Let me tell him to come in, unless you can bring him in.
You got it. I'll try, but it doesn't do it. Go ahead and get out of the room. Let's go back on the record. Go ahead, Counselor. Put that on the record, please.
Ms. Walker, do you want to put it on the record or shall I?
You go ahead and put it on the record.
It's my understanding, Judge, after speaking with Ms. Walker from the city attorney's office, that my client is going to stipulate the probable cause and the matter is going to be dismissed.
Shannon Walker on behalf of the people. That is correct, Judge.
All right. Well, since there's going to be a stipulation, the case is going to be dismissed. You stipulate the probable cause, Counselor, on behalf of your client?
Yes, I do, Judge, but I'd like to have her do it on the record, if possible.
Right. So do you understand what that means, Ms. Louise?
Yes.
All right. So will you stipulate, and you're saying that the officer actually had the probable cause to detain you and write this ticket? You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Will you stipulate to that fact?
Yes.
Very well. With that stipulation, I'm going to dismiss the matter. If it's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good week, sir.
Naito, you're free to leave.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Walker. Have a great week.
Till next time.
Alrighty. Yes, indeed. Bye-bye.
You be safe out there, Officer Naito.
Thank you, and all of you guys too.
All right, let's move on to, I'm gonna try to get that ticket as soon as I can, Ms. Lee Armstrong, if they have it. We'll give them a few minutes and then we'll get you out of here. Who else, Counselor?
Thank you.
Don, who else do you have? Who do you have?
Thank you, Your Honor. I just have Amanda Llewellyn. It's a bench trial on a curfew violation.
All right, let's call the case. Yes, this is the city of Detroit versus Amanda May Llewellyn, case number SB 136-95121. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Ferris Haddad, P71538. I'm actually standing in for the attorney of record with, which is Musabi Hamid, with Ms. Llewellyn's permission, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Llewellyn, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
She's on here. I saw her. Ms. Llewellyn.
I saw her too. She's got to unmute herself and state her name for the record.
There you go.
Amanda Llewellyn.
All right, where are you, ma'am? You gotta turn your camera on.
I don't, I'm sorry,
Very well. Good morning to you.
Is it on?
Yes, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there an officer, Derek King? Officer Derek King. Let's see, hearing no response and I have not seen that person join the room. Go ahead, counselor. Let me get this.
Your Honor, we would stipulate to probable cause for the violation, and we would ask the court to dismiss today since the key witness is not here.
Very well. If there's nothing further, I'm gonna dismiss the case, no officer, all right?
Thank
All right,
you.
if there's nothing further, Mr. Llewellyn and counsel, have a very good day. Good luck to both.
You too.
You have a good day
Thank you
too.
very much. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
I have
Can I-
Lambert Fuller that's here, Miss Walker. I have Aaron Gray, who is here as well. I don't think Polish came. Let's get Aaron Gray out of here.
And Judge, just as a side note, Mike Glenn was ready. I talked to Ms. Walker about him, and he's got a plea that he wants to take. Whenever you're ready, Judge.
Let's do that. Let's recall, let's go back on the record with Mr. Mike Glenn. Mr. Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he understands his rights. He wants to waive those rights and avail himself of the offer.
And what is that offer?
Judge, it would be 2 failure displays for the driving while license suspended, which there's 2 of them. And the remaining matters would be dismissed, Judge. There's actually 3, but there would be 2 failure displays. The remaining matters would be dismissed.
All right, you want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that they're going to potentially suspend your license even further by taking these offers?
How long further? How much further?
I can't. I mean, it's going to at least be 30 days, probably a year with 2 of these considered moving violations. So, but you have to check with the Secretary of State with that.
I mean, well, I have a meeting with them on the 23rd. They have sent me a letter when I found out about this court date. They had told me that I will have to come in on the 23rd. I don't know exactly what time, but I will be meeting with them because I have gotten some letters in the mail and they want to discuss about pretty much what I'm going through right now in this matter.
Well, what I can do is I can allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. And that would, well, it doesn't even appear that that would even. I can let you go to the Secretary of State and see what they say. And I'm sure that you can bring a valid driver's license in. It's probably, I can't guarantee it, but I think that Ms. Walker may be inclined to give you a little bit better deal, or at least transfer something that it doesn't affect your license. So you can either take the deal now and deal with the Secretary of State, or deal with the Secretary of State and come back and see if you can get a valid driver's license. I'll leave this 2 failure to displays open.
Because I remember last time, back in December of last year, you wanted me to go in front of the Secretary of State, but I couldn't at the time because of transportation and people wouldn't allow, take me up there. So I can try to get up there and see what goes on with them, but either way, God, they pretty much trying to talk to me about the license part anyway on the 23rd.
All right, so come back on April, we'll set a pretrial on April the 14th, all right? And we're just gonna give you an opportunity to come back April 14th, 2023. at 8:30 a.m., all right?
Hold on, I'm sorry. Let me write it back, write it down. Because I might not get the mail, so I gotta make sure. You said April
14th at 8:30. Come on back and you can let us know what the Secretary of State. You have a license and you may be able to get a better offer.
Okay, Your Honor, well, I can go and see what they say first, and then I can let y'all know after, and if it's a case, because like I said, I got a mail from them and they said that they wanted to talk about pretty much all the stuff that pretty much I'm dealing with now, so I can just get them.
Very well, sir. Have a good day and good luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Aaron Keith Gray, case number, Gary, case number SP 136245, strike that, SP 1362425, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1377709, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1381481, SP 1418104, counts 1 and counts 2. Oh, count some more. Maybe why isn't this pulling up on his? What is your date of birth, sir?
April 24th, 1988.
All right, strike SP 1377709, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1381481, strike those from the record. Appearance for the record, please.
And Worthing P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Gary.
My name is Aaron Gary.
All right, let's see why we're having this difficulty. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial on SP 1362425, counts 1 and counts 2. Is there an officer, Scott Povish here? Scott Povish. Generally shows, hearing no response. You want to make a motion on those, Counselor?
Those reasons will move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. What about for SP 1418104, counts 1 and counts 2? That's an equipment violation and no ops ticket. Ms. Walker, are you there? As for purposes of arraignment on those tickets, Counselor?
MU, wait for him a reading, Judge.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Ms. Walker, are you there? All right, does he have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Run his license, please. That's Aaron. He's got the 1988 is his birthday. It's one right with him. That's if the license is valid, sir, we'll let you pay this defective equipment ticket $120 and we'll close the other one out, all right?
My equipment wasn't effective.
Pardon me?
My equipment wasn't effective. The police officer car was effective. That's what's wrong with my equipment.
Okay, so you want a trial date on it then?
You can give me one.
All right, let's give him a trial date. Don't worry about the license.
I thought this was a trial date.
No, this is the trial date for these 2 tickets, the improper display of plate and a license. You seem to have gotten 2 more tickets at a different time that was set for an arraignment on 4/21/2023. We're just wrapping them all up in one. So that allegation was made about the equipment violation.
Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't aware I was going to court for those tickets too.
Yeah, that allegation was made on January the 8th, 2023. So do you want to clear those up now with paying the $120?
For the tent on the window?
Yes, if that's what that would be an equipment violation, yes.
Yeah, I pay those.
Let's run his license and see. I'm sorry. Because I thought that he was not.
I got my court paperwork right here. I don't have an actual license. I was taken from me.
I'm gonna check the license and see if the license is good. If the license is good, I'll let you pay $120. We'll dismiss the other case.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Any more retained lawyers in here? All right, I'm not getting anything from.
Your Honor, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to take a look at my court. I had it at.
This was dismissed, ma'am.
No. They told me to come back.
All right, hold on a second, please.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Okay, your license is not valid, sir. So
I'm on restrictions. I have my paperwork right here.
it's not valid, sir. It's not valid. It's something wrong with your license. It's not.
Yeah, I know. I'm on restrictions from the Secretary of State. The paperwork right here.
Okay. All right. Listen. All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You can talk to the lawyer. All right. I got license canceled. If I had a restricted license, it would say restricted. It does not say restricted. So it's something wrong with your license. Okay. If it was restricted, I would accept that as a good license, but it's not. It's not coming up restricted. Who's on this case? Warbling?
Yes, Judge.
All right, talk to them. You can talk to Ms. Walker and see if she can get him an offer. Or he can just come back after he takes care of his license. I don't know what you want to do, but it's a no ops ticket and a defective equipment ticket.
And they were scheduled for what today, Your Honor?
So he was scheduled for, this was just an arraignment. He was scheduled for trial. We dismissed the ones you made that was scheduled for trial, but he got 2 more tickets back in January. And that's where we're at.
Got it. No problem, Judge.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gary, and speak to is that you're under AG, right?
Yes.
Speak to Mr. Warbling. All right, let's pass that matter. Oh, good morning.
Yes, John. I have a little issue. I ask you a question. I have your name listed on a court case, but it has room 437. So I was just trying to make sure I'm.
I got you for Lambert Plummer.
That's the one, sir. Yes.
All right, I'll put you in a breakout room. You can wait on Mrs. Walker.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Love lady.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Loveday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, who's that?
This is Cordell Leverett. I
Talking on my turn.
was scheduled at 8:45, but I was having trouble. I had to call in. I don't know what's going on now.
All right, well, you're in line, sir. I got you written down. So you got everybody's been here. Everybody's scheduled at 8:30, 8:45, 9 o'clock. It's just like the doctor's office. You're just gonna have to wait till we call your name.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure.
And what's your name again?
Cordell Leverett.
Leverett. All right. All right. Let's move on to they don't have it. If they didn't bring it, then we're just gonna call the case. We can't sit here and wait on this. All right. Is this Love Day?
Love lady.
Love lady. What's up here? Love
Yeah.
Day. somebody inputted this in wrong. What is your date of birth, ma'am?
05/03/1990.
All right, that's one. It's just under the wrong name. And it's just actually spelled wrong. They got me. All right. Let's call the cases. This is the City of Detroit versus Sierra Geneva Lovelady. Case number SP 1381838, counts 1. SP 1381869, counts 1 and counts 2, and 18-514-0561. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lovelady. State your full name, Ms. Lovelady.
Sierra Geneva Lovely.
Okay. Let's call the date. It's a date and time set for a pretrial. So do we have an offer? Do you have a valid driver's license and insurance and registration, ma'am?
I was able to get my insurance and registrations. I was able to get my license until they said that I got a letter from you guys saying that the restriction was lifted for it.
You're not going to get a letter from us about any restrictions. That's not going to happen.
That's what the Secretary of State told me.
I don't know what they told you, but we don't give any letters out for any lifting any restrictions or anything like that. You have open cases. I don't see.
Well, I got my registrations and stuff.
Why don't you listen, please? You have open cases. I don't see why those open cases would affect you getting a license because they're just allegations. I don't see anything down here that says that you're not eligible for a license. When is the last time you went to the Secretary of State?
I just left the Secretary of State in regards of this situation, and they told me that I couldn't get anything because of pretty much you guys were holding me up.
See,
they said I take care of the district and then take care of these cases that's open.
Did they give you a case number that's affecting your license, ma'am?
No.
I don't know. I can give her an offer. I mean, they're probably going to plead to a failure to display, counselor, and dismiss the rest, $240, and I know that will affect her license if she takes that deal. Or we can set a trial date, and that'll give her some more time to figure out what's going on with her license.
May I speak on behalf of that? I've been dealing with this, and honestly, set another trial date, I'm still going to be in the same position, still waiting without a license, which is really holding me up from continuing my life. I have to care of literally everything else you guys need. The only thing I don't have is a license, and they said that's why I don't have it.
Maybe it's the no insurance misdemeanor. Maybe it's the no insurance misdemeanor. What I can do is I can allow her to pay that up front, that reinstatement fee up front.
What if I have proof for that too?
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
I can allow her to pay that reinstatement fee up front, and then she can see if that's what's holding her license up. But other than that, Ms. Walker, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Judge. Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
All right, we're here with Miss Lovelady and her. She has a old no insurance misdemeanor. It owes a reinstatement fee, and that's a open case. And then she has a license improper, a no insurance misdemeanor, and an expired plate that happened in one occurrance. She indicates to the court that she tried to get a license, and they just told her yesterday or sometime in the recent past that it's affecting. They won't give her a license.
Yes, I'm signed in with a court already.
All right, you're talking.
Excuse me, sir.
So what the court is inclined to do for her is to let her pay this $45 reinstatement fee up front. That is the only thing that I can say that is potentially affecting your license, ma'am, by looking at it here. You can pay that today, and you can go to the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours and see if you can get a license. If she doesn't pay that, if she doesn't want to take that, what is the offer going to be for this young lady, Ms. Walker?
1 count of fail to display and dismiss everything else.
Okay, just like I thought it was going to be. And if you take that, then I know it's going to affect your license for some time. I don't know how long.
I could pay $645.
Okay, so what's going to happen, ma'am? You come down here to the court. We'll put it in the system that you'll allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front. You wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State once that clearance gets there. And then all I can say, if they don't give you a license, then they should be able to tell you exactly what ticket numbers are affecting your license. And then I'll let you come back in before your next court date if we can do something for you. But up until then, you're gonna have to find out what is exactly affecting your license. So you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse, and you're gonna have to pay this in person.
And it'll be the $45. You guys are not going to charge me anything, no more or anything like that, or for anything else, so I can know what I'm walking into.
Yeah, it's going to be the $45. Now, all 4 cases are still going to be open, okay? So it's not going to close the case out. It's just something that will get you at that clearance to the Secretary of State, so you're not waiting for your next court date to get a driver's license, okay? Here, speak to her in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, and explain this to her, and then come back and let us find out what she wants to do, all right? Join the breakout room, please. All right, we still haven't gotten that ticket up here for Miss Lee Armstrong, Miss Walker.
Judge, I've already spoke to Sergeant Carson. He will be reissuing today. I don't know what to say.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of
Can we bring him back into the courtroom, please, so he'll know?
Certainly. I'm just gonna let Miss Lee Armstrong know what let's try and get you in there and see if you can pull him out, please. All right, I got him. All right, let's call the cases. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Antonia Lee Armstrong. Case numbers SP 136-48911, SP 136-49071. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P648889 on her behalf.
All right, Ms.
Dan
Lee
Walker, P53794, on behalf of the people, appearing with Sergeant Corey Carson, the issuing officer.
All right, good morning, Sergeant Carson. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Sergeant Corey Carson, badge SA27.
All right, good morning to you. Let's put Miss Lee Armstrong. Are you there? Can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Antonia Lee Armstrong.
All right, very well. Good morning to you, ma'am. All right, here's the deal, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do not proceed on ROAs. That's all I have. We called down there to see if we can get the original ticket. And I'm prepared to dismiss upon a motion of your counsel on that motion. However, I've already been informed by the city attorney and Sergeant Carson that if I dismiss these tickets, then these tickets will be reissued today, which they're fully in their right to do. So why don't we first get an offer from the people? Do you have a valid driver's license, Miss Lee Armstrong?
Yes, I do. I
All right, let's
emailed that to you.
Okay, let's run her license, please. If she has the valid license, Miss Walker, what would you be prepared to offer Miss Lee Armstrong?
Judge, I want to have a conversation with Sergeant Carson based on the level of speeding before that, but then we would be willing to make her an offer.
Very well.
I have a question as well. Can I speak?
Hold on a second, Miss Armstrong. You're gonna get a chance to speak, okay? Let's just get all the information for you, okay? And then when I put you in an attorney, you'll be able to speak with the attorney after you get all the information. Join the room. And Sergeant Carson and Ms. Walker, do you want a private room or do you want to go back in the room with the other officers?
I can go back to room 1, Judge.
All right, Sergeant Carson, go ahead back to that room, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass that matter and let's,
Ready on Miss Lovelady, Your Honor.
all right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lovelady. Miss Lovelady, do you understand all of what's going on now?
Yes.
Is she back?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here.
I said, do you understand everything
No.
about? Don't?
Yes, I'm very aware of what's going on. I'm actually going to head down, pay the 45 once we get off here.
All right, so I'm gonna give you another date. I'll give you 30 days to get this done. Let's give you back on March the 14th. March the 14th, 2023 at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
What's the problem, man? You can take the offer today, you don't have to.
I know, that's what I said. I don't even have to wait on I'm about to go down there and take care of all this now. It's just a big inconvenience on how it all started from the jump. So I gotta do what I gotta do. So, I appreciate you.
All right. Have a good day, Miss Lovelady. We're gonna get that into the system. Can you, she wants to pay the reinstatement.
Oh, okay, I'm working on it right
March 14th, 2023 is the next court date. All right, good luck on that license. All right, Cesar Hernandez. Okay, are we back? Are we ready on Miss Lee Armstrong?
Yes, Judge, we would allow her to plead to 1 count of blockading and dismiss everything else.
All right, there you go, Miss Armstrong. Now, all right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lee Armstrong. Miss Armstrong, I do have a valid driver's license for your client and for Miss Armstrong. The offer is going to be blocking traffic $175. I don't know if you get any better than that outside of a complete dismissal. That is a 0-point offense that does not abstract to the Secretary of State. I call that akin to an expensive parking ticket. You want to take the deal, ma'am, or you want to speak to Mr. Warbling in a breakout room?
Can I speak to them in the breakout room, because I do have documentation of the road over there and to prove that I was not speeding on that bumpy, holy.
Okay, wait, just wait, talk to the attorney.
Okay, can I speak to him, please? And I also wanted to let you know, Judge Muhammad.
No.
You talk too much.
Okay.
You can't talk too much. I'm gonna put you in. Who's on this case?
I am, Judge.
All right.
Thanks.
Join the room, please. All right. All right. So now, Mr. Glenn, are you still? Is everything good? What's going on with Mr. Glenn? I mean, Mr. Gary.
Say it again.
Are we? What are we going to do with Mr. Gary? Well, let's go back on the record. Aaron Keith Gary. All right. He was in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling. Did you understand what's going on, Mr. Gary?
Yes, he said we're gonna go to court in April.
All right. So you want to set it for trial?
Yes, he said 9-jury trial.
All right. Let's go April the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. That'll give you time to go to the Secretary of State and try to figure out what's going on with your license.
Okay.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Cesar Hernandez.
Judge, may I ask Mr. Berry if he needs anything from me in this moment?
Okay, we have, let's see this. We have the trial. We still have some officers here. So we have Lambert Plummer and Mr. Al Gahan. I don't know if he's here. He shows.
I see him on the screen, Judge.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, and then we have Gonzala Lija. So we need offers for all three of those because we have we have the officers here, all right? So it seems like everybody's here. So on the trial document, it seemed like everybody showed up. So we just need to dispose of those 3 cases.
Okay, Judge, you said Mr. Algaham, Ms. Lambert, Plummer, and what was the third one?
Leja, Gonzalez Leja.
Okay.
All right, Gonzalez Leja, we're in the same situation as we were with some about Sergeant Carson's tickets. They're not making it up here. So I just have an ROA and Ms. Walker, Ms. Mathis requested those at the same time. She requested the Lee Armstrong. So that's one. We have Lambert Plummer. We have actual complaints in here. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, we have one. No, we don't have any complaints in here either for Lambert. We'll request those. And then the other 2, we don't, the other one is a careless driving ticket. And Officer Smith is. All right, let's move. Cesar Hernandez. Okay, no Cesar Hernandez. All right, let's move on to Dante Gilbert. Where's Dante Gilbert?
I'm here, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dante Allen Gilbert, case number SP 1317726, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on his behalf, Your Honor.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Gilbert.
Dante Gilbert.
All right, let's see what you have as far as your documentation. You indicated to the court you had valid documentation. You're going to have to turn the background off, sir, in order for me to see it.
If this is my registration.
All right, let's see. Hold on. Push it up close to the registration. Let me see the date. Push it up closer, please. All right. I still can't. Okay, 2023. Is that 6/11?
6/17.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Let's see the insurance, please. Pull it up. Okay, May 2023. Okay, I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
I can leave.
Okay. You can leave. All right. Al Fahim is next. We're going to get you an offer, sir. And we'll put you in a breakout room to see what the city attorney says. I have a KG. Who is KG? Unmute yourself, please.
Yes.
How you doing, ma'am? What's your name, please?
Kayla Goddard.
Goddard? Okay.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well.
Thank you. Okay. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Kayla Goddard, case number 227461791, 227461811. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Wormling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Goddard, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Kayla Goddard.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. This is gonna need an offer coming from the city attorney. Let's if you can text the city attorney, let her know what the charges are and see what offers he'll give. You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am, and if you don't like the offer, we'll set it up for a trial date. All right, let's pass this matter until we can get an offer. All right. Let's go ahead to back on the record. Are we ready for Mrs. Lee Armstrong?
We're ready, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lee Armstrong. Ms. Lee Armstrong, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
She wants to take advantage of the offer, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Armstrong, did you get all your questions answered, ma'am?
Yes, I did. I talked to him.
You got it off your chest, ma'am? You're okay now?
Yeah, Muhammad Nazir is my original lawyer. He told me some things to say, but it's okay. I'm good with what I got.
You good with what you got? Okay, good. All right. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis on the behalf of your client for the responsible plea?
Yes, we will, Judge.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So, ma'am, I'm going to find you responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175, and I will dismiss the other matter. When can you pay this $175, ma'am?
Can you please give me 2 weeks? Please.
You got Mohammed as your attorney and you need 2 weeks.
Yeah, I know. It's just, I just paid Muhammad some stuff. If you can give me 2 weeks, that's my pay period. I get paid bi-weekly. I don't get paid this week coming up. I get paid the following week. So if you could give me to my next payday.
All right, February 28th, 2023, pay it by then, okay, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All righty, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go with Lee. Now that's Maya Lee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Maya Nicole Lee, case number SP 137-99451. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Maya Nicole Lee.
Okay, Ms. Lee, do you have valid registration for this vehicle?
I do. You want both? The one, I just had a birthday, so I have the current one and the old one as well. Do you need to see both?
Just give me the current one, Ms. Lee.
Yes.
See what you have here.
Can you see it?
I do. 24. All right. Thank you very much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss the matter based on providing valid documentation. All right, Ms. Lee?
Yes, thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, man. Good luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's move on. Carlos Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning to you too. So my case.
Carlos, what's your middle name, please? Daniel Lopez. Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is the City of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Carlos Lopez, case number SP 1314729, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1314731, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's
Worley,
very
P6489 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lopez, please.
Carlos Daniel Lopez Lopez.
Okay, I'm gonna set aside the defaults. I don't know what happened to these two cases. This is a disregarding a red signal and a no registration. I'll set those defaults aside. So that gives Mr. Lopez a driving while license never acquired, a no insurance misdemeanor, and a civil infraction of no registration and disregarding a red signal. Are you eligible? Can you get a license, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, I can. And the proof of submit of the title, I got the proof right here.
All right, well, you're gonna have to bring a valid driver's license back before we even consider that.
All right, I'm working on it right now. I'm taking the classes. I'm studying everything, the law, and.
All right, when are you gonna come back with that license?
Give me a month.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of March the 14th, 2023 at 8:30. I'm gonna set aside these defaults. We'll give you a pretrial date on that date, and we'll deal with the tickets when you bring a valid driver's license in, all right?
Say the date again.
March the 14th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
30 a.m. All right, so I'm dismissed then?
You're dismissed. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, on the phone at the green 517 number, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Press *6 to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. What's your name, sir?
Cornelius Green.
Cornelius, is that with an E, an E at the end of green, or just a?
No, just like the color green.
Okay, I don't see you on the docket. Let's see what's going on. That Cornelius Lamont Green?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Cornelius Lamont Green, case number SP 138-04911. Appearance for the record, please. There's no.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Green. State your name, Mr. Green.
Cornelius Lamont Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
We waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We're entering not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond, and we don't have a offer. I mean, I can dismiss the case if he provides valid insurance, but he's on the phone, so whatever he has, I can't see it. You want to come back, sir? And where you can zoom in and give us some valid insurance?
Can I bring it down to the crowd?
Well, yeah, bring it down on March the 2nd, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Hold on one second. What day you say?
March the 2nd, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Okay. You say call back on March the 2nd or come down to the courthouse.
Come down if you're gonna come down. If you want to, if you can zoom in where I can see it, then you can just zoom in on March the 2nd. But you gotta come down because I can't see. You gotta zoom in, all right? So either or.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, March the 2nd, 2023, 8:30, bring in some valid insurance, I'll dismiss the case.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
All right,
Back to you.
Good morning.
You do have a trooper in here. I'll put you in a breakout room and speak with the trooper, and that's for Al Gahan. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and speak to the trooper.
Is that Trooper Dane? Trooper Dane?
If I believe so.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
All right, you ready on those for your officers, Ms. Walker?
Judge, were we able to get any tickets up?
Nothing.
I did speak to Deputy Court Administrator Daniels, and she was going to ensure that they were brought up. I wasn't sure if that has happened.
Did you get anything? I haven't seen anybody come in.
Emails, I haven't.
She sent emails, she hasn't gotten anything.
Okay, then I don't know what to say, Judge.
Well, you know how it goes. You win some, you lose some, Ms. Walker.
Well, Judge, they will all be reissued today. All the officers are here for Miss, you said that there was no tickets for Miss Lambert Plummer either?
Let me see. I didn't see. I got the file here.
Let me call on it.
Lambert Plummer, I don't have any actual, I do have one. That's the, that is,
Hold on, Ms. Lambert.
that's the one where Officer Hope, the filing fraudulent insurance, Officer Hope is here. And then no other tickets. So I just have one actual ticket and the rest of them are not here. So Ms. Lambert, are you there?
Let me see.
You want to see?
Let me see if I'm still.
She said, Miss, you called too, didn't you, Ms. Walker?
I'm sorry, Judge?
You called down there.
I spoke to Deputy Court Administrator Daniels. She was going to be looking into why the tickets aren't being brought up to the courtroom because it's simple as pressing a button.
All right, so let's do this. Is Miss Lambert Plummer here?
She's here, Judge. I think she needs to unmute.
All right, let's do this. In the meantime, let's get these offers. Let's get these offers to see exactly what the offer will be. And if we find a ticket, then we'll go Miss Lambert Plummer and Mr. Levi Gonzalez. If we dismiss the ticket today based on no actual complaint, then Ms. Walker and the officer indicate already that they're going to reissue the ticket today, which is their full right to do. So I don't know if you want to take the dismissal and see if the other ticket, if you get another reissue, or if you want to take the offer. So let's get offers, and then they can make their own decision with their attorney, Ms. Walker.
Judge, may I have a breakout room with the attorneys then?
All right, let's put Mr. Warbling in, and you can deal with those tickets with Mr. Warbling, and then Mr. Barry will stay out with us.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, let's move on. So Kevin, is Kevin here? Okay, I don't hear a Kevin. Ablinski.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. It's the city of Detroit versus Adam Nielsen Ablinski, case number SP 1377689, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 137904111, SP 1379041, appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Oblinski. State your full name, sir. Muted, unmute.
Adam Nielsen Oblinski.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration and insurance, sir?
He gave me, the owner of the vehicle gave me the correct registration, but he did not give me the correct insurance identification card. When I had called him yesterday, he had let me know that he was out of town, that he would be back on the 20th or the 21st. I did email you the copies that he gave me. But if I could have an extension on that, I'd appreciate that. If I can't, then I understand.
Broadnex.
James Broadnex, yep. He does have court for the same tickets. The trooper, the Detroit officer gave him a ticket too for no insurance and no proof of registration in the vehicle. So he does have court as well. I just don't know when.
And all these tickets were issued on one day?
Yes, sir.
See, that's what, who issued these tickets?
I'm not.
He does
I
that.
just.
All right, I'm gonna offer your client a blocking traffic, $175. I'm in receipt of, I didn't see, I see the insurance, but I don't see the date. But I'm in receipt of insurance, Alabama insurance card.
Yep.
And a valid registration. Blocking traffic, $175 for this failure to stop. You want to take the deal, sir? Or you want to fight it?
Is that gonna lessen the points on my driver's license if I take this deal?
Points if you pay this.
So there'd be no points if I pay this. Okay.
No points if you pay this, and then we'll dismiss the other stuff.
All right, sounds good to me.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay, sir?
I might get paid not this Friday, next Friday.
So are you saying you're gonna pay it Friday?
I can pay it next Friday, yeah. Not this Friday, next Friday.
I'm gonna give him till the 27th to get that in. You pay that to any div dat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come on down to the court. I'm told you can upload that div dat app to your phone. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Pablo Lijai, they're working on your offer. AG, he's already been, that was Aaron Geary. Mr. Love.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you. Is this Curtis Love?
Yes, sir.
Let's call the case. City of Detroit. Versus Curtis Saquon Love. Case number is SP 131-06551, U39-124-517. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Love.
Curtis Saquon Love.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant and a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Stand mute and wait for a reading for those purposes, Judge.
And are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This one ticket, you have the marijuana ticket, 2017. You can speak with the city attorney. We can set a trial date on this, but you can speak with the city attorney to see. I know the state of the law is much different than it was in 2017, but he also has his no chauffeur's license ticket as well. So either we can set a trial date or you can get an offer from Miss Walker. What would you like to do, sir?
Judge, we can try an offer from Miss Walker. So it's the no chauffeur's license, and there's something additional.
Do you have a valid chauffeur's license, sir?
No, sir.
All right, let's wait. We'll pass the matter. We'll get an offer from Miss Walker and see what you can see if you like it or not.
Okay.
Do you have a valid license at all?
No, sir.
What's holding you up from getting the license?
I had some old tickets and It was back when I was a kid, when I was younger. Just caught up with me.
But sir, you haven't been a kid in quite a long time.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know why you don't have a license now. How old are you?
48.
Yeah. 48. You talk about back when you were a kid. That was 50 years.
Well, I messed my license up. I had a back when I was a teenager. I had a friend in the Loon. I had so many. I was messed up in childhood, man. I messed my license up pretty good.
But Mister, what we're talking about is that was 30 years ago, right? I don't see anything in this record that would prevent you from getting a license. I don't know if that marijuana.
I had a child support issue for a while that was restricting me too, and I was going through some other issues.
All right. So my question is this: why don't you go to the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license?
Well, I did recently go get a printout, and I had so many different tickets and numbers and everything. I really didn't understand it, so I'm really trying to find some help with that.
All right, run his driver's license. Let me see what this is. He says he hasn't done nothing in 30 years. Let's see.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter, and we'll take a look at your license, and we'll see. You need to, when you.
I ain't gonna say 30 years. You went back real far.
Not
30.
All right. All right.
Judge, on Pablo Leia Gonzalez, we did have an offer from the city for blockading, just as a side note.
All right, very well. We'll call that case. No, that's not. Miss Miha. What is your name, ma'am?
Ariana
What's your last name?
Mejia.
I know, but you don't you have a hyphenated last name?
Gonzalez.
There. You keep coming back.
Yes, because you told me to come back to court today. I think to show that I paid the ticket.
All right, let's see if you got. Did you pay it?
Yes, I did. Actually, I have it here.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus that's the wrong one. This is city of Detroit versus Adriana Elizabeth Gonzalez, case number SP 139-60131. Appearance for the record, please. It should be under review.
Yeah. Elwood Berry, on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez. State your full name.
Ariana Elizabeth Mejia Gonzalez.
All right, let's see. That's also taken under FIDA. Pay or fine. What I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna close it out and I'm gonna dismiss the case.
Thank you.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Yep, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Pablo Roberto Lehigh Gonzalez, case number SP 141065541. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, state your full name, sir.
Pablo Roberto Leja Gonzalez.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. Let's skip Sergeant Carson. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Corey Carson, badge SA27.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. It's my understanding that this case is going to be resolved for the blocking traffic, or that's the offer. Did you get an opportunity to speak with Mr. Gonzalez about it?
I have not, Your Honor. Did you, Mr. Worbley?
No, I did not.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it right now. Mr. Leja Gonzalez, you have an opportunity. There's no actual ticket in the file, so you can your attorney can make a motion to dismiss, and I would grant that motion. However, the city has already indicated that if they do make that motion and the ticket is dismissed, then they're going to automatically reissue another ticket. So if you want to resolve it now to that, I believe the offer was blocking traffic. Is that correct?
Correct, Judge.
So you can resolve it today and close it out with the blocking traffic, pay $175, and it doesn't have any abstraction, no points on your record. What do you want to do, sir?
Your Honor, I'd like to just take care of that and pay it Friday.
Okay, this is, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, amended count of blocking traffic, $175. You say you can pay Friday, so I'm gonna put in the system the 20th of February, to give that time to year. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it down here in person. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. Okay, Mr. Gonzalez?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you as well.
Walker. Okay, let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Curtis Love.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I don't see anything that's preventing your client from getting a driver's license. Why don't we set a trial date? You go to the Secretary of State in the meantime, Mr. Love, and get that driver's license, and come back on April the 4th, and we'll settle up on these other matters. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go trial date, April the 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
April the 4th?
April the 4th.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's move on. Okay, APA Cole. APA Cole.
Yes.
Okay, so we can't amend a civil infraction to a misdemeanor.
I said as charged to the civil infraction, and there's a no ops, as I was aware, count one.
I only have one. Let's see. I only have one ticket for him.
Oh, just the careless, the count two?
Let me see if I'm looking at it right.
The trooper thought there were two counts on the ticket, but
I'm showing a no ops on person and the careless.
All right. Good morning to you, trooper. Okay, so
Morning, Your Honor.
I only have a careless driving.
oh, that's the only thing. Well, we don't have an offer on it. That would have to be as charged, Your Honor.
No offer?
Nope, no, we don't. I had a long discussion with Trooper Smith.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, no offer for this. That's a 3-point offense. It's gonna be a, a careless driving is a 3-point offense. It's gonna be $210 fine, and they're not willing to come off of that. So I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He can speak with you and we'll see how to proceed, all right?
And if he wishes, we could put Trooper Smith in with the three of us. That would be great. If all three of us could discuss it.
And you want the Mr. Al-Daham in there as well?
No.
Well, let's do that then. Let's go
Thank
there.
you.
Thank you, Cole. Trooper Smith and Mr. Berry. And what about taking the class? Is that find out if that's an option for him? Okay, let's move on to Roshan Walker.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. I don't know why you're here. Let's see. And the reason why I say that is because I don't typically have W's. Let's see what you have here. You're on my docket. All right, let's call the cases. Roshan Walker. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Roshan Walker, case number SP 137-50971, SX 407-34631. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, today is the day. State your name for the record, Mr. Walker.
Roshan Walker.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor.
Judge, we'll waive formal reading and stand mute for purposes of the show cause. We would ask any warrants to be recalled.
All right, we'll recall. I don't think there's any warrants, so we will not guilty plea your client. We have give your client a $0 bond. He's got the alcohol-related violation, and he's got this that was consuming alcohol in public, and he's got the failure to provide security for the vehicle. That is on Judge Taylor's docket, but we can incorporate it in the deal here. I'll let Judge Taylor know that, so that he doesn't have to go to 2 different courts. So then we have APA Cole and we have Ms. Walker. Is Ms. Walker still here? So let's get an offer, see if you can get an offer for both of those. It's gonna be a 1-for-1, I'm sure.
So it's the alcohol-related violation, and what was the one that's not listed, Judge? No insurance?
And a failure to, yeah, basically that, yeah, failure, let's see how they write it here. Motor vehicle operate without security. So this alcohol-related violation pleads straight up to that. $240 fine. We'll dismiss it upon payment, and then we'll dismiss the other case. Or he has an absolute right to a trial. Let's do it like that.
Understood.
Join the breakout room. Mr. Walker, speak with Mr. Warbling about your options, and if he wants to take the deal, give him join the breakout room, please. This is Jermel Lowe. Mr. Lowe.
I'm here, Your Honor.
See you, sir. Drive while license revoked.
Yes.
All right, let's see what Mr. All right, you ready, Mr. Berry?
I need to speak with my client in a breakout room, Your Honor.
Very well. All right, Mr. Al-Daham, can you join that room now, please?
So should I head to the breakout room?
No, not you, sir. We'll wait. Either you're gonna yours is gonna be a failure to display. And with this driving while license revoked, you're gonna have additional suspensions because you're gonna have, it's gonna cause you problems potential problems at the Secretary of State. You can either set a trial date, or you can talk to the lawyer. I don't know what your issue is about a license, but
If I set a trial date, how far away would it be? Would it be soon or would it be like?
it'll be May the 4th.
Okay, yeah, Secretary of State told me I have to wait a year before I can like apply for an appeal. That really
Oh, you have to apply for appeal. And how long? A year from what time?
a year from when I just got convicted of this last. So I got a speeding ticket with it. So I think I got convicted at like the beginning of this year, January 20th.
Okay, hold on a second, sir. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he wants to waive the jury and have the matter set for a bench trial.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you a bench trial date of April the 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m., sir. All right.
Okay. Yes.
All right. If it's anything further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Can you repeat that?
April the 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. The gentleman up there, Veranda does.
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Veranda's Keith Lewis.
Veranda's Keith Lewis. You have registration, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Veranda's Keith Lewis, case number SP 138-13061. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lewis, please.
Veranda's Keith Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a profile in the matter. Mr. Lewis, show us a valid registration, please. For 11/2023. All right. All right, you're good. All right, at this time, dismiss the matter for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, your case is dismissed. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day yourself.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Jermel Quintez Lowe, case number SP 131-51201. Appearance for the record, please.
Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Lowe, state your name for the record, please.
Quintez Lowe.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, for purposes of the show cause, we'll stand mute and wait formal reading.
I will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He has a driver's license revoked. I know they're only gonna maybe amend this to display. Maybe he just wants to set a trial date and see if he can do better. That offer will be open on the date of trial, sir. All right.
Sounds very well, Judge.
You understand what's going on, Mr. Lowe?
Yes, I do.
All right, come back on April the 4th and see if you can do better than a failure to display, all right?
Okay, thank you.
9 a.m. It's nothing further, sir. Very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay.
All right, are we ready on Al Gahanam?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let's strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus, is Ms. APA Cole here? This is the state of Michigan versus Gaham Al, case number SX4101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Ibrahim Saif Al-Jalam.
Your Honor.
Trooper Smith, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
What was that?
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yeah, Your Honor, 1 second. Let me just move to a different room.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please, Trooper? Is he there? Did we get any resolution to Lambert Plummer?
Yes, we did, Judge. It's FTD and speeding 10 over. The remaining to be dismissed.
All right, speak to her in a breakout room. Read her advice or rights if she wants to take the deal. Okay, Trooper, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
I guess I thought you meant turn the camera on. I apologize. I did not understand that.
State your name for the record, Trooper.
Trooper Dane Smith, Michigan State Police Metro South Post.
And badge number? And badge number?
1426.
All right, very well. Okay, what's going to be the resolution, if any, Mr. Berry?
The defendant will plead his charge, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yeah.
No, that's 3 points on your driver's license.
I'm sorry, for what?
You know that's 3 points on your driver's license?
There was no offer, right?
No, there's no offer.
So I have to take it, so yes.
No, you don't have to take it. You can have a formal hearing and you can fight it if you want. We'll have a hearing. If that's what you want to do. But if you want to take it, you can take it. That's up to you. The choice is yours, sir.
Yes, I'll take it.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You stipulate, okay, that's careless driving, sir, as charged, $210, 3 points on your driver's license. When can you pay it?
I can pay it in 2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna give you 2 weeks. I'll give you to February 27, 2023 to pay it, okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you and be safe, all right?
All right, thank you, Honor.
All right, you be safe out there, Trooper 2. You're free to leave, Trooper.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a nice day.
Have a better one. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Nazara Lewis, case number SB1318096, counts 1 and counts 2, and 19-4582561. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir. Unmute.
You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Lewis, and turn your camera on, please.
Hello.
Are you driving? Are you driving, sir? All right, we're gonna put you out. We're gonna put you out the room until you get pulled over, call back in, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go down to Vicky. Is Vicky there? No Vicky. Austin Laird is gone. Luann is gone. That brings you down to Samuel Lane.
Also.
Morning to you, sir. Find Mr. Lewis's driver's license. He's going to be in court. City of Detroit. I got you, Ms. Lee. City of Detroit versus Samuel Lane. Samuel Jesse Lane Jr. Case numbers SP 1373653, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lane. State your full name, Mr. Lane.
Samuel Jesse Lane Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes,
for this
sir.
vehicle?
Yes.
All right, turn your camera on, sir. Let's see what you have. Let's see.
Oh, that's the registration.
Let's see. Hold it up to the. Well, let me get him back. Where did he go?
Oh, sorry.
No, I know. I'm trying to put him. It usually when they speak, it usually pops up on the screen. So I have registration. Go in closer, please. And that is 8/9/2023. And now let's see the insurance. Go ahead closer on the insurance. And that is, I can't see the expiration date. It looks like it's February 28th.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find you got proper documentation. I'm gonna dismiss the ticket for providing valid documentation. All right.
Thank you, sir.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
All right, you too. Thanks.
Okay. Leverett.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you, sir. Cordell Leverett, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me pull it up. City of Detroit. Versus Cordell Christopher Leverett. Case numbers SP 1306943, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Leverett. State your full name, Mr. Leverett.
Cordell Christopher Leverett.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead.
We waive reading the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We're in a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 fine. Mr. Leverett, I don't know what this one civil infraction is. Let's see. See. Improper use of dealer or specialty or historic plate. Okay. So. We'll set aside that default. Do you have a valid license and registration, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's run Mr. Cordell Leverett's license. I don't know what that, what kind of vehicle is this?
Well, this is 2008 Ford F-150. I actually sold it now, but we just have a registration.
Well, say no more, sir. Say no more. Say no more. Let's let you start to speak with the lawyer. Well, it's a civil infraction. It appears that the Leverett, Christopher Leverett, yes. It appears that the allegation is that he drove this vehicle with this historic plate on it, and obviously a 2006 Ford is not considered historic enough. That's what the allegation is saying. All right, hold on a second, sir. I'm just letting attorney know what's saying in the record, all right?
Okay.
All right, Ashley Lee. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, Mr. Leverett has a very good license. What is your middle name, ma'am?
Catrice, Catrice.
And why are you here?
I got 2 notices in the mail saying that I'm supposed to be on the Zoom court today.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Well, let me, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lewis, your driver's license is valid.
Yeah.
$120 for this improper equipment will dismiss the other 2 counts. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Nazar Lewis. $120 for this improper equipment will dismiss the other 2 counts. You want to take the deal?
Is these both of the tickets, or this?
You got 3. You have 3 tickets. This will clear everything up. You have a 2 no-ops, 1 from 2019, and then this 1 ticket from the time you got this tenant window ticket. They gave you a failure to display a valid driver's license and a tenant window ticket.
Okay.
You want to clear it up for $120? We'll dismiss both the other cases.
Yeah. Yes.
Then you owe a $45 reinstatement fee for the 2019 case. I'll waive the warrant fee in that. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the improper equipment, $120, and I'm going to dismiss the other 2 matters. I will waive the warrant fee on the 19-45828. Strike that 19-4582561 ticket. I'll waive the warrant fee. He'll be responsible to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. So it's going to be 120 plus 45. When can you pay it, sir?
2 weeks.
All right, I'm going to give you till February 20th, 2023 to get that paid. Make sure it's paid before then so that it doesn't affect your driver's license. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the court and also pay it. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, okay?
Okay.
Nothing further, sir. Be safe out there, sir. Have a very good day. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. The only thing is, I don't know what they want to do. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cordell Christopher Leverett. I do have a valid driver's license. Why don't you pay I'll amend it to expire plates $145, and we'll dismiss the other 2 counts, Mr. Leverett. You want to do that?
So, you said I could pay for.
We'll amend the driving with the dealer historic plate. That's a $492 fine. We'll amend that to expired plate, and then the $145, and we'll dismiss the other 2 tickets. You want to do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that good enough? I mean, that's up to you. You can take it to trial if you want to.
Yeah, I just feel like it's unfair because I did everything right. I didn't have my updated license at the time because my birthday just passed, but everything else was straight. I don't really feel like I should pay anything.
So here you go, sir. You didn't have an updated license, so you don't feel it's fair. You got stopped and you got driving while without a valid driver's license. So that's a misdemeanor. And then I don't know what happened with this dealer historic plate, but they're saying you're operating a 2006 Ford. And if the dealer historic plate is on that 2006 Ford, then that's not a historic vehicle.
Well, Your Honor, it's not a historic plate. It's just a dealer plate. It's just what we use to test drive vehicles, like everything. Like we use it just in our daily everything. It's not a historic plate. I have a code in my phone that says that we're supposed to be able to use that plate.
I understand where you're coming from. I do understand where you're coming from. But what you just indicated to the record is you already were driving without a valid driver's license. So that's a misdemeanor. This is a civil infraction. I would fine you $240 for that misdemeanor if you were found guilty or you pled to it. So this saved you $195. It's totally up to you, sir. It's up to you what you want to do.
Well, I'll take the 145.
All right. Now you just wanted to get it off your chest. I got you. All right.
Yeah.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Again, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, amended to expired plate, sir, $145. And we'll dismiss the other 2 misdemeanors. When can you pay the $145, Mr. Leverett?
At the end of the month.
We'll give them till March 14th, 2023 to pay it. Pay it, sir. And it's not going to abstract to your license. It's not going to be any. Your license is still going to be very clean. You got a very good driver's license. Keep it up, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right. I'll give you till March 14th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you for your patience too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go call up this case here. Would be the all right. Are we ready for Ms. Lambert Plummer?
I believe so, Judge. Are we still waiting on the original tickets on that, Judge? Are they sending those up, or we didn't know the status?
That ship is sailed. We're not going to wait on those. We've given them enough time.
Okay, that answers my question.
All right, you ready to call the case, Counselor?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I don't know why. I'll come up on it is. City of Detroit versus Uganda Lambert Plummer, case number SP 1270537, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 126484 3-1, SP 4416491. Appearance for the record, please.
And we're in P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Ms. Lambert Plummer, please. Ms. Lambert Plummer, are you there? State your name for the record, ma'am. Did she fall asleep?
Did you say Miss Lee?
No, Ms. Lambert Plummer.
Oh.
Everybody hears what they want to hear, don't they? I'll get to you, Ms. Lee.
Ms. Plummer, can you hear us? Ms. Lambert Plummer?
All right, we have no response. I don't know what's wrong with her, if it's frozen or if she can't hear or what. We'll have to pass the matter. We're going to get to Miss Lee. Let's see, the officer, let's get Hope in here. Let's get Bennett in here. Is your volume up, ma'am? Do you need to turn your volume up? You didn't have a problem speaking with.
No, we communicate just fine, Judge, in the breakout room.
Officer Bennett, Corporal Bennett, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
On which case, Your Honor?
This is on Lambert Plum.
I thought we went off. Okay.
What about, can you go get Corporal Hope out of there? Mr. Officer Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we have Officer put his appearance back on? Because we had said pass the matter and I didn't get it. I went off.
We'll do. Corporal Bennett, can you put your appearance on the record again?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Officer Kakis, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Kakish, 6th Precinct, DPD, badge number 854.
All right, good morning to you. And Corporal, can you go get Corporal Hope out that room and tell him to put his appearance on the record, please? I can't pull them out for some reason. All right, Ms. Lambert Plummer, can you hear me? All right.
Share screen.
We have one ticket of Mr. Warbling that for that false insurance 2015 ticket. That's written by Hope. The other tickets are not in the file. And Hope has not come out of the room yet. So I don't.
Your Honor, it's Corporal Bennett. I went in the breakout room. He's not answering.
Okay. So what's the offer?
His offer is FTD and speeding 10 over on the Daryl Bennett matters, Judge. The other two would be dismissed. The other two My client's claiming that wasn't her anyways. It's an identity issue.
10 over. That's gonna be,
I think that's 2 points.
2 points on your driver's license. Ms. Lambert Plummer, can you state your name for the record, please? All right, we're gonna pass it. I don't know what's going on with her, and we can't get Corporal Bennett. Even though that seems like that will resolve itself because it's caught up in the offer. Let's go to Miss Ashley Lee then. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashley Catrice Lee. Case numbers SP 1134681, SP 131895661, SP 131900201. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Ashley Catrice Lee.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Ms. Lee. I have for the SP 1134681, you entered into an agreement to pay this blocking traffic in 2021, and you haven't paid it, ma'am. So that case is disposed of already. I have an expired plate and a no insurance proof. Do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, let's see it. Turn the camera on. Let's see what you have.
I'm at work. Oh, wait a second. It's outside in my car. I don't know how to.
All right, go ahead and get your, if you can't turn the camera on, I can't see it.
My camera is on, but it's in my car. But I'm not driving the car.
So wait a minute. Do you have proof of it?
I have proof of the insurance and everything on my car, but for the past few weeks, my car has been down, so I'm not in my car at the moment.
All right, so you want to come back?
Do I need to make a date or?
I'll make a date for you.
Okay.
When will you be able to show us proof of this insurance?
I get off today at 5. Can I bring it down there?
You can zoom back in on Thursday if you want to.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set a free trial for Thursday. And then when are you gonna pay this $90?
What night? I thought I paid that. I can pay it. I thought I paid it already.
No, you paid some, you owe some more.
Okay.
Owe $90 on the blocking traffic. And we'll set it for trial in 2 days. That'll give you time to get the documentation. You bring the documentation in, or you can be able to show it on Zoom, and I'll dismiss the cases, okay?
Okay, thank you.
There's nothing further, man. I'll see you back Thursday. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. James Phillips. Is James Phillips here? He's gone. Okay, Miss Lambert Plummer, I hear you now. Can you hear us? Miss Lambert Plummer. Uh-oh. Miss Lambert Plummer. Miss Lambert Plummer. I don't know what we're gonna do.
See this?
KG. What is KG still got her? All right, let's see. All right. Oh, we need to offer for Miss Goddard.
I spoke to Miss Walker about that. She wants to speak with the officer, so we're going to set it for trial.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Kayla Goddard. Ms. Goddard, there was these are two pretty serious charges. The one reckless driving and the firearms charge. Why don't you?
And I'm a CPL holder. I've had my license since 2020. It doesn't expire until 24. And the gun that I was carrying, I was registered.
No, I don't want you to make any statements, ma'am.
Please don't make any statements. Just what the city attorney's already spoken to the Mr. Warbling, your defense attorney, has already spoken to the city attorney. The city attorney is not willing to give an offer on the case. The city attorney wants to hear from the officer. The way that happens is we set a trial date and we bring you back. The only other thing is you plead as charged, and it would cause you to have 6 points on your license, and this firearms, it would suspend your firearm and all that kind of stuff. So you need to speak with Mr. Warbling.
Let's take it to trial then. I have no problem with that. Pardon me?
Oh, okay, very well. We'll take it to trial. That'll be April the 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
Would that be on Zoom court?
Yeah, you can come in person if you need to bring some evidence, or you want to come in court. You can do that, but it will be on Zoom if you choose.
Okay, could you please give me that date again so that I can have my attorney let them know?
April the 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, and is it possible that I could have the officer that's on the case, his badge number?
If I can read it. Looks like badge number 118. All right.
Yeah, because he's an issue for me. So perfect. Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Goddard, I'll see you back on April 4th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay.
All right.
All right.
I'll see you there.
Miss Lambert Plummer. She's not even looking on the camera now.
Okay.
She's the last person. Miss Lambert Plummer? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with her. I know. Officer Corporal Hope. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lambert Plummer. Corporal Hope, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Corporal Hope. I'm sorry, Corporal Kenneth Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police 12th Precinct Station.
Okay, very well. Good morning to you. What was your offer gonna be?
My offer? Well, no one ever talked. I'm sorry.
Nobody talked to you?
No one talked to me. I bought the same ticket with 3 other officers. I thought she was coming.
Yeah.
From speaking with Miss Walker, Your Honor, that his was going to be dismissed.
All right, Miss Lambert Plummer. Now hold that up now. Miss Lambert Plummer. Hello, ma'am. I don't know what's going on. Ms. Mathis is going to try.
Looks like everything's working on her end.
Ms. Plummer, are you there? Ms. Plummer, are you there?
Judge, could we put her in a breakout room maybe and see if I can then see what's going on and bring her back out? I don't know if she, yeah.
She raised her hand. All right, let's try to go back in the breakout room. I'm gonna switch her room to 4. Maybe she'll get that prompt. I think
She raised that, she thought no. She had to see.
She did.
She did.
Your Honor, this is Sergeant Carson.
Yes, Sergeant Carson.
Yeah, I heard you say that Miss Palmer might be the last person. I was still waiting on Armstrong or Miss Armstrong. I don't know if maybe that was adjudicated when I was in a breakout room or something.
It was. I don't know what this Armstrong got. What did this Armstrong?
She's not even connected to audio in the breakout room, and I couldn't get her to connect.
Put up the phone number, have her call in. Oh, good morning. We have the whole city of Detroit Law Department here today.
Oh, good morning.
We only have one left. Do you have something for the court? Good morning to you both.
Good morning, Your Honor. No, we heard you were looking for prosecutors, so you get the whole bunch.
I see. All right. No, I think we're okay. This is the last person, so I think we've exhausted everything. So thank you so much.
Great, thanks, Judge.
She's doing the breakout room.
Yeah. All right, Ms. Plummer, are you there?
Share.
Is she trying to say something? Now, unmute yourself now, Ms. Plummer. Unmute yourself.
Judge, this is Jamira. I can help you. Hi, Ms. Plummer. Hold on, let me put you. We don't know. Let's put you on mute so we can address your matter. Hold on. I mean, I'm gonna put you on, not on mute, but I'm gonna put you on speaker. All right.
All right, Ms. Plummer.
Ms. Plummer? Yes.
Okay, we're having trouble hearing you. Are you having trouble hearing us on the Zoom?
Yes, I am. When I left the breakout room, then all of a sudden my audio, I couldn't hear anything after that.
Okay, do you have an audio button down there?
Yeah, I've been pushing it and, you know, it just didn't do nothing.
Can you push it again, please, on the bottom right, left corner, audio?
Okay, let me try it. I hope I'm connected. Okay, let me try it. Okay.
Now, what does it say now? What does it read down there?
Let me, I can hear you. So should I hang up the phone?
No, because we got to hear you on the system here, and we don't.
You can't hear me?
No. Is your computer, can you?
Yeah, I can hear you guys. Wait a minute, hang on.
Can you turn the volume up on your computer or something?
I'm on my cell phone. Like I said, when I left the breakout room, the attorney returned, then I couldn't hear anything. Let me try this,
Why don't you hang up? Why don't you hang up and zoom back in?
hang up, okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay.
Hang up and zoom back in, okay? We'll let you back in the room.
Okay.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Now we can hear you.
All right. Thank God. Lord
Okay.
have mercy.
Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lambert Plummer. Ms. Plummer, there's been an offer presented to you, and that is 6 to 10 over. That's 2 points on your license for this 16 to 20, and a failure to display. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Well, what I did was,
That's
I was
a yes or no question.
Yeah, I have a valid license, but I did not purchase it because I didn't know what was going to happen with these, you know, the tickets and everything. So I didn't want to just purchase it and then it gets suspended again.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying by that. I asked, do you have a valid driver's license now, Ms. Plummer?
No, I did not purchase them.
Okay, very well. We got that answer. Let's see what it reads. I'll tell you what's going to happen if the offer is failure to display and a speeding ticket. That's like 2 moving violations. And if you don't have a valid driver's license, then that's going to cause you more trouble in the end.
I'm not driving, 1, sir, and 2, again, if I can't express myself, I went to purchase the license, but I decided because I had these pending tickets that why purchase a license and then they suspend them again and then I have to go through. So that's why I did not purchase the license. That's the only reason why I did not. I had an opportunity to, but I thought because I said I should wait until after everything is, you know, reviewed and assessed by the courts before I purchased my license. Yes, I could have. I went down to the Secretary of State and they were cleared and I could purchase my license, but I made a decision not to until I found out what the courts, you know, basically we're going to do, you know. I mean, that's just the honest to God decision that I made. I mean, you know, so, and then I'm not driving anyway. I don't have a vehicle. I do have a valid state identification, but I'm not driving. I don't own a car at this current time. And that's the bottom line.
Okay, now you're gonna let me speak?
Sure.
All right, you made the wrong decision, and if you want a valid driver's license, you made the wrong decision. Now you should have got a valid driver's license at that time. Now, moving forward, do you want to get a valid driver's license and come back, ma'am?
Sure, that'll be fine, since I made the wrong decision.
If you want a valid driver's license, and the reason why I say that is because if you take the offer as presented, you're not going to be eligible for a license for at least 30 days and potentially another year from now.
Oh, okay, fine. I will take care of that.
All right, so how long is it going to take you to get a valid driver's license?
I'll get paid on the 3rd, but I can do an early withdrawal on the 31st of this month.
I won't make you do an early withdrawal, ma'am. We can wait until you get paid, and we can wait until, just give me a date, please.
Okay, well, the 3rd is fine.
The 3rd is when you're gonna go get the license, correct?
I'm hoping I can get an appointment to go in, because still at the Secretary of State, you have to make an appointment, but I will make an effort to make an appointment on the 3rd. So let's say, give me a little bit more time after that, just in case I can't get in on the 3rd. Let's say the 10th or something. I don't know what day that falls.
Let's say March the 14th. Bring a valid driver's license in. That way the city will be prepared to give you a little bit better offer, okay? Do you want to take the defensive driving class, ma'am, to see if the city will give you a better offer on the speeding ticket as well?
Okay, well, first of all, the offer was how much? I did not get no dollar figure offer, but I was told about, that
the offer, if you pled today, the offer would be $240 plus another $135, and it will be 2 points on your driver's license, a misdemeanor on your record, and it would give you that suspension that we talked about, additional suspension.
Okay, well, I don't want that.
Okay, so if you got charged with doing 16 to 20 over, typically the city attorney will, if you take this driving course, the city attorney will be willing to give you a better deal than typically 2-point deal. I don't know what they'll give you, but you can, I'll give you an opportunity to take the class if you choose to, and see what you can get offered outside of the 2 points on your license. Well, now it stands at 4 points. So they were willing to drop it down 2 just because you came to court. Maybe they may drop it down more if you take this defensive driving course. All right, hello?
Okay, so where do I go to take, where do I go to take the class, and how much is the class?
It's $40, I believe, for the class. I'll give you 60 days to do all this. You're on a fixed income. I'll give you 60 days. April the 14th, 2023. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling, and then he's going to explain to you the class. He'll give you the information on the class if you can't get it out the chat, and he'll do all that, and then we'll have you back on April the 14th, 2023, okay?
Sure.
All right, join the breakout room one more time. Mr. Warbling, please give her that information. And then you can free to leave. Your next court date is going to be April the 14th, 2023, okay?
Sure.
All right, have a great day. Speak to Mr. Warbling. Join the breakout room, Mrs. Lambert.
Your Honor, you said you are done with me, sir?
Yes, you guys are free to leave. Be safe out there, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, this is Sergeant Carson again. Is there any way I can get a disposition on Miss Armstrong?
Lee Armstrong, what happened with Lee Armstrong? Do you have that written down, Counselor? Lee Armstrong. You did? I'll look it up.
He's coming back on the 23rd.
Yes, she's coming back. She's coming back. She's gonna take the class.
Okay, that's fine. And so the date is, I'm not supposed to come back on that one, right?
No, but I can give you the date if you choose to come back.
Okay.
The 23rd of, I'm not mistaken, February. Let me just make sure.
Wait a minute. Hands on. Oh, she got a blocking traffic. A blocking traffic, $175.
Right.
That was her, Miss, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, Sergeant Carson, if there's nothing further, you be safe out there. I'll see you next time.
Okay, thank you, sir. You too.
All right, that's gonna conclude it, except we'll see if, Ms. Williams Law, we'll see if Mrs. Lambert Plummer has any more that she wants to say. Mr. Barry, you can stick around until we close it out if you choose, or if you can leave. That's up to you.
Thank you.
Is it? I gotta, wait a minute. Take a picture. Take a picture of this. You might not see him in a shirt and tie for a long time. This is.
I knew that you was doing work, man. I just
always.
You know I can't stop through here without.
I appreciate it. We have the Honorable Bruce Morrow, who is now. He's put his defense counsel. He's dusting off the defense counsel title. How'd it go?
Everything's well. I just left Judge Taylor. I saw her outside leaving, but the clerk is going to bring me the order that she signed. Okay.
Bring me the order?
I'll pick it up from your house. I don't. You know, I'm nothing, man. I didn't want to have to go and then come back down.
Just give you a copy. Okay, and I'll drop that off to you. All right.
He's calling. I always like to come by.
All
Give
right.
me an excuse to get out the house.
All right, that's what's up. All right.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Put you in all the rest of your stuff.
Yes.
All right, brother
Thank
Joe.
you.
All right, let's see. You see Barry? You see Elwood Barry's up there?
I sure do. Look at everybody doing their thing. Hey, Mr. Barry, you all right?
I'm doing fine, sir. Good to see you.
Likewise, always good to be seen. You know that's right. All right, sorry to interrupt the court.
No, you're doing it right.
Thank you, love.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, are we ready for Mrs. Lambert Plummer, Mr. All right, see you, Judge.
Oh, Judge, I gave her the information and then gave her that new date.
She's still in the room there.
Oh, is she? Okay.
Oh, that's very.
She left, Judge.
She left.
All right. All right, so if there's nothing further.
Are you going to do the afternoon docket, Your Honor?